everybody, welcome back to today's video. Today I am going to be unboxing my new camera. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to open this. I've been waiting to get this camera for the longest time, and I've been doing my research, and literally everybody says to like get this camera or whatever. So yeah, I was deciding either between the G7X or this camera, but I just personally think that this camera is like better for me. So yeah, and like literally I had to go through so many websites just to find this camera because it was like literally out of stock like everywhere last week. But now like this week it just like randomly came up on stock. So no, wait, in stock. But I decided to get the white one mostly because they didn't have the black one in stock, but it's fine. Like I like the white one too. I didn't buy any like accessories with it either because I wanted to get the camera first before like I got the accessories, because like what if they be switching up on me and they cancel on me, because they definitely didn't hesitate to do that the first time. What's the point of getting the accessories before I got the camera? Like what if I like didn't get the camera and then I just bought all the accessories for nothing? Okay, so here's how it looks like in the box. Also, I got this from Best Buy, you know, whatever. Instructions. Oh my goodness, it's so big for no reason. Okay, so first we got the camera strap. I don't know if I'm gonna be using that, but and then we got the battery. Oh, I just got a tweet. And we got the lens. So here's the charging brick or whatever. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. This camera is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. What? Wow. And it's like it's really like the perfect size. Like it fits like around my hands, all that stuff. And look at this. I got the whole like flip out screen. I can like look at myself now. I could do like that. That is so nice. So let's open up this lens. Happy spooky season, you guys. For me, it's October 3rd right now, but I'm definitely not gonna be posting on October 3rd. This is how the lens looks like. I just got the 15 to 45 millimeter lens, so that's the one that it usually comes with. So here's how it looks like without it, and I'll put it on. So you just have to match that white dot to that white dot, and then you just twist it until you hear like the click.
One eternity later.
Alright, so I'm gonna charge this now. Alright, so I am back and I just put on the battery and I set up like the date and time. Oh wow, this is so nice. I look so good. What? Look at this. And I could do like a wide angle. It's recording. I can't tell if it's recording or not. So it did record. So I'm gonna do like a video test and see how it looks. Okay, so this is a video test to see how this camera works. All right, so far I look really good. I can't stop looking at the screen or the flip out thingy. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Hi. Okay, so let's see, I'm gonna test out. Let's see how it looks like in here. Oh oh wow, that adjusted really quick. That looks so nice. Look at this. Okay, I can zoom out. Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, I like the background. It looks really nice. Alright, so that is so cool. Okay, let's see how it goes right here. Sorry for a dirty mirror. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. This camera is so good. Okay, I realized how really chapped my lips are. But this camera's supposed to like be really good for like autofocus, so I'm gonna like put something in front of the camera and then I'm gonna like show you how the autofocus works. So hey guys, all right, I'm gonna test out the autofocus. Let's use it literally dropped. Okay, I'm gonna use one of these. So I'm gonna use this. Okay, out a little bit. Okay, so put it in front. Whoa, back to me. That is so fast. Okay, back to her. Okay, so it takes a bit of time to like focus, but it's pretty fast in my opinion. It's wow, that is so good. So but yeah, that is so nice. Wait, I freaking love this camera. Okay, so my thoughts is that I love this camera. It literally makes me look so good. I don't know about the audio. I might have to see that when I'm editing this video, but when I saw other people like trying it out, the audio sounds pretty fine. So, but you know, just in case, might get like a little microphone, and obviously I'm gonna get a tripod because it has a bit of a weight into it, you know. Here's a close-up of how it looks. You guys want to see? I just took a picture. I did just take a picture. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that's how it looks like, and then I'm gonna like close it up, and then it looks like. Alright, that is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm so excited because now my videos are gonna look really good, and yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment and all that jazz. Follow my social medias. Bye guys.